What areas are you seeing in terms of data quality and improving that with your customers?
It's twofold. And it's funny, it's also the easiest example, address data. And I would always say like company structure. Because of course, for years, there's been databases around that you can link your Salesforce environment to. Then it gets like Chamber of Commerce data, the DMB data, that kind of stuff. But when it gets really complex with a lot of the larger or I think a ton of say non-profit companies, that can get so complex that those tools can't even keep up. And that's definitely where AI comes in handy because they can then have a look at the rest of, let's say, internet or other data sources to get the right data for your addresses and let's say company hierarchy or account hierarchy. On the other side, there's also the, let's say, the use case for mainly for support engineers. So for case management, but also where you said have a phone call, an email, or a conversation around the support case, and then having AI do the let's say summaries or next steps, that type of functionality. Yeah, that's often the first, let's say, use case that the people I know look at, and I think it's also the one of the, let's say, quick wins.
Yeah, it's funny you say this because I completely agree. I think support in general has better processes from a data collection perspective, just because you had SLAs and it's easier to enforce a process with support, right? You have a call center and all of that. So typically, larger organizations tend to have better data collection and standardization process on the support side. And I think automation for data collection with support is also a lot easier to your example of cases, right? So we do automation with email to case. As soon as an email comes in, a case gets created, which is based Salesforce functionality. We would run AI on it and essentially extract a summary and populate it in a field. We would apply a categorization. What product is this email for? What kind of question is it? Is it technical? Is it finance or billing related? And whatever other facets. Language is another one that we do. Sentiment is another one we do. Literally, you have the ability to categorize the case before a rep has even looked at it. And that categorization then allows Salesforce to use routing rules and basically route the case to correct queues, and then someone can pick it up. So it's something where you can do data collection at scale and you can do it almost with no user resistance because it's completely automated running in the background.